Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab delights. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of imitation crab meat, which should be finely shredded. Next, make sure you have 4 ounces of cream cheese, softened to room temperature for easy mixing. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning to give it that classic flavor. Finally, grab 1 package of crescent roll dough, which will be the perfect wrapper for our delicious filling. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's prepare the delicious filling. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your finely shredded imitation crab meat. Next, add the 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. Using a fork or a spoon, mix all these ingredients together thoroughly. You want a smooth, well-combined mixture with no large lumps of cream cheese, ensuring every bite is perfectly creamy and flavorful. With our crab mixture ready, it's time to assemble these delightful treats. First, unroll your package of crescent roll dough onto a clean, lightly floured surface. Carefully separate the dough into its 8 individual triangles. Now, take about 1 tablespoon of your prepared crab mixture and place it onto the wide end of each crescent roll triangle. Gently roll each triangle from the wide end, where the filling is, towards the narrow point, creating a neat little package. The final step is baking our crab delights to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully arrange the assembled crab delights on an ungreased baking sheet, leaving a little space between each one. Bake them for approximately 11 to 13 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Once baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool for a couple of minutes. Serve them warm and enjoy your delicious, homemade crab delights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.